In today's video, I am showing how to make a soft, delicious and restaurant style puri at your home. It is very easy to make if you are following a small tip. So I am sharing that tip in this video. So do try it out and enjoy it in most perfect way. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's make the puri. For that, in a mixing bowl, we are taking 2.5 cups of wheat flour. So our next ingredient is a secret ingredient which I tried and came out well. So I thought of sharing it with you. It is vermicelli. We have to take a little vermicelli and powder it. So I am powdering this vermicelli, and this is how it looks after powdering. So I took the measurement. It is around 4.5 tablespoons of vermicelli powder. Here we have to make it very fine powder because we are using it to knead with wheat flour. So I made it very fine. And some of you must be using semolina instead of this vermicelli powder. But one problem which I felt is that while using semolina is we have to have the puris immediately after frying, or else it is becoming very hard. So that problem is solved while using this vermicelli powder. So just try and see and give your feedback. So here for 2.5 cups of wheat flour, I am adding 4.5 tablespoons of vermicelli powder. Our next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using sunflower oil. And then add salt for taste. Let's combine all the ingredients well. Now add some water to the wheat flour and mix again. Here I am adding 1 cup of water. So here I added around 1 cup and extra 1/4 cup of water and mixed well. Now after adding water, just use your hands to know the water powder ratio. So here the water powder ratio is okay. Now I am kneading it with my hands to a soft dough. So our dough is ready. We have to knead it very well. Now change it into a flat surface. After that, again knead well. The dough is ready, so take small portions and make it into small balls for puri. So here all the balls are ready. And before rolling it, I am dusting it with some all-purpose flour. And then rolling it to a medium-sized puri. If your kadai is larger, you can go for a larger sized puri. So this is the size of our puri, and the surface of the puri is little coarse, but don't worry, after frying your puris will be perfect. So let's roll other balls also. Meanwhile, I am heating some oil in an iron kadai for deep frying the puris. We have to heat the oil in medium to high flame, and when oil is hot enough, take a puri and immerse deep into the oil. Should be very careful while immersing the puri. You can see how well the puris are coming out, and to fry the edges of the puri, just press the edges to the oil. When one side is ready, just flip it over. The cooking time for puri is very less. You don't have to wait much more. So this is our perfect puri. When both sides of the puri are ready, take it off from the oil. Now same way we can fry all other puris. So this is how we make a restaurant style puri. I hope this video is helpful for you, and do try it out. Don't forget to give your feedback. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.